Hey Luke, where are you gonna go? Yeah, you say hi to your daddy? Yeah, you wanna come over here? Yeah? Yeah, you coming over to Mama? Alright. You gonna get Mama? Really? Why don't you get your toy over there? You gonna get Mama? You're coming after Mama. Yeah, is Mama moving away from you? Really? Can you say Mama, 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 Mama? Really? Where are you gonna go now? I know, hi. Why don't you go get your toy over there? Go get your toy over there, sweetheart. Go get your toy over there. Are you getting your mom? Ah, you got your mama's toe. Ah, you gonna get your mama's toe? Come over here, Luke. Come over here. Here, try that. Look at this. Come over here to this toy. What are you doing? Come over here. Come over here. Oh, did you go over that? Come over here, sweetheart. Come over here.